Hey everyone, it's me, Virtual Dan, and I'm here to walk you through our brand new FMF365.com net worth tracking tool. And it's powered by Fidelity Investments, so you know you can count on its integrity. In 4 easy steps, our calculator will provide you with personalized feedback so that you can get a clear picture of your current overall financial status. We'll help you explore what you need to do to reach your future goals, which investment strategies works best for you, and what your portfolio would look like should you consider actually investing real money in our low-cost investment strategies through Fidelity Investments. Once you create your free FMF365.com account, you'll have access to your very own personal financial website that offers free net worth intraday tracking and investment tracking tools that will make wealth management a walk in the park. So let's jump right in. To get started, first, enter your age and gross income. And don't worry, we keep all of your information private and will never share it with any outside parties. This is where you get to pick your savings goals and what you'd like to plan for. If you're looking for something more specific than retirement, there are more options under savings, such as a new car or a wedding. Let's go ahead and plan for retirement. This is where you calculate whether you're on track for your goal. Also, don't forget to check the below and above average market projections to see the range of outcomes. Next, you'll need to answer 4 simple risk tolerance questions that determine your investment style and suitability. Which one is best for you? Conservative, moderate, or maybe aggressive? This is the fun part, where you get to see your investment portfolio and what it would look like. Based on your investment amount, monthly contributions, and account type, you'll get to see a breakdown of your funds and potential outcomes. Congratulations, you're on the last step, opening your very own personal financial website. Now you have the power to track your finances, in addition to defining your own investment portfolio to reach your goals. You've made it through the tutorial. Come invest with me, Virtual Dan,